In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook Messenger community. Now on Messenger, you need to go to chats, then tap this three-line menu and choose to create a community. And you can read this info about Messenger community before going on and choosing an option that describes your community. The next thing is to add a name and description and a profile image for your community, and also read this info about your community. Then finally preview and create your community. And after creating your community, you can invite people to join it. And you can always use these categories to start a chat with your community. And if you go back to your chats, you should be able to see your community and the chat channels. And through this star emblem, you can access your community profile where you can invite and accept more members, edit your community, and also explore all these other features. And to delete your Facebook Messenger community, you just need to come down here on the community profile and choose to delete your community. And as you can see, you need to remove all admins and members before deleting your community. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Facebook and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.